This
So I'm
conference
getting
will now be recorded.
okay, fine. Yeah. Yeah, hi everyone. Let me introduce myself so that so we'll ask your introduction as well. What happened, Rohit? Was left. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, once again, good morning, everybody, and myself, Himaja Errabolu, and I'm having around 9+ years of experience in testing, like in both manual and automation. And my prior experience is in automation, and I have 6+ years of experience in automation with the different technologies, I would say, with different Java, C Sharp, Protractor, and Cypress. And also, I'm having experience on different languages, languages and the tools as well, like Selenium, so Protractor, Cucumber, these are the tools, and the Java, C Sharp, JavaScript, Python. So these are the languages. So that I am having experience of, and so I'm currently working as a test lead in S&P Global. Yeah, basically I'm from Kadapa, guys. So yeah, that's about my end. And do you have any experience, guys? Like you just introduce yourself, like where are you from, and if you have any experience, or what is your goal, like why you people choose testing as your career aspect, you just kind of thing. Just introduce about yourself, like short introduction. Okay, so we'll start with Rajesh. Rajesh, are you there?
Yes, I'm. If you don't mind, I'm just having my system right
Your voice is breaking. Hello. Okay. Anybody, you can start from your end, just about 1 minute. I mean, 30 to 40 seconds is fine. Lakshmi, you can start.
Yeah, hi, good morning. This is Lakshmi Kartika from Vijayawada.
Yeah. And your
My career goal
education?
is my education tech completed with the
Okay,
aggregate of
fine.
70%.
Okay. Okay. All the very
My
best,
career goal
Lakshmi.
is
Yeah, yeah, you can go ahead. What's your goal in your career?
automation testing engineer.
Okay. You want to be an automation test engineer, right? Yeah, that's nice.
Yes,
All the very best. And okay. Yeah, thank you for the intro.
thank
And Govin, you can
you very
start.
much.
I think everybody is very shy to introduce yourself, right? I mean, to introduce themselves, right? Upendra?
Yes, Himaja. Myself, Upender. I have 3 years of experience in CRM, Microsoft CRM. Actually, I'm moved to ready to move to the Selenium automation testing side. That's why I'm joining this class.
Yeah, cool, 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 Upendra. All the very best. Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
And anybody like Bhavani?
Good morning, all. My name is Bhavani Shankar Pradhan. I have 9 year experience in construction field. Because of some health allergic condition, I want to switch to software field, IT field. So I doing this automation class.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Yes, and next we'll go with Rohit. Rohit or Rohita? Rohita? Like a
Hi,
lot of,
good morning. Is it fine
yeah.
now, Nova? Hi, this
Yes,
is
yes,
Rajesh
Rajesh.
here.
Yeah, Rajesh.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, hi. Good morning. This is Rajesh. I'm from Tirupati. So I have a total grip and 4 years of experience of testing. So for my career growth, I'm looking out for tester.
Okay, fine. Yeah, thank you, Rajesh, for your short intro and all the very best.
Thank you.
Yeah, and we'll finally move to Rohita.
graduate. I have completed my final exams last month.
BCom or BTech, ma? Actually, I'm unable to hear your voice. Your voice is breaking. Okay, fine. So your voice is echoing. Okay, fine, Rohita. Thank you for your intro and all the very best to each and everyone. And today it's a demo session, guys. Like what we are going to cover in our coming classes, and what are the tools that we are going to cover, and what are the long.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so everybody is able to see my screen, right? Everybody is able to see the notepad. I mean the Word document. Yeah. Right. Yes.
Yes, madam.
Yes. Yes, in this class, so I will only discuss about the topics, guys. The topics that I have covered, that I am going to cover in the coming classes, and the technologies and the IDEs and the languages. So each and everything. So first of all, so from tomorrow onwards, our class will start. Now from tomorrow, today is the demo class, and tomorrow onwards, we'll start the coding part. So first of all, I'll start with the Java. So once Java will complete, then only I'll switch to Selenium, because so Java is the heart of the Selenium. Means Java is a main. So if you don't know about the Java, you cannot write the code in Selenium, because like one language, not only Java, a language is very important if you have to use the tool Selenium. So if you want to use a tool Selenium, a language is mandatory. Whether a language is Java or a C# or a Python or JavaScript, whatever it may be, language is a priority. Language is a mandatory. Okay, so that is the reason I will start with the Java. Then once Java will complete, then we'll switch to the Selenium. And apart from the topics in this session, I mean not in this session, in the coming classes, in entire of our course, I will cover tools, languages, interview questions, interview programs, each and everything, guys. Interview questions, interview programs based on your experience, like from 2 years to 10 years, which type of questions they will ask in the interview and how you would give the answers. So each and everything, the programs, the questions, answers, everything. So we'll discuss for each and everyday topic, guys. So for example, if you discuss, I mean, if you are going to discuss on the topic called array, what is array? What are the interview questions that we get in the array based on their experience? So each and everything. So we'll discuss on each and every topic, guys. So first of all, so the softwares we need, few softwares we need, guys. So we'll discuss about the softwares and we'll install them and we'll use them. First of all, we need one IDE. IDE is nothing but not idea, guys. IDE, integrated development environment. Development environment. If we want to use any languages, we need one IDE, guys. IDE is mandatory. So without using any IDE, we cannot write. Without using any IDE, we cannot write the code. So we'll start with IDE. So later on, so we'll download the language. So language, or I would say programming language. So we'll discuss about the programming language. The programming language is nothing but Java, guys. The programming language is nothing but Java. And IDE, so here we are going to discuss about IDE called Eclipse, because so we can discuss about IntelliJ as well, but IntelliJ is very user friendly. If you learn Eclipse, so IntelliJ is very easy, guys, because Eclipse will provide you so many advantages and so many shortcuts are there. So if you learn Eclipse, IntelliJ is very easy. So both are used for Java only. So in our course, so we'll discuss about Eclipse, guys. So IDE and the language called Eclipse. And apart from this, we learn about one build tool. We learn about one build tool. The build tool is nothing but a Maven. So Maven is a build tool for Java, guys, for Java language, and Ant is a build tool for C# language. I'll discuss the difference as well, and I'll compare with different tools as well, guys. And apart from the build tool, and we can discuss about the tool as well. Tool is nothing but Selenium, guys. Selenium is not a language, guys. It is a tool. By using this tool, we can automate the scripts. By using this tool, we can automate the script, guys. So these are the things and these are the softwares that we need. So we'll install each and everything, and we'll discuss each and every topic in Selenium. We'll discuss each and every topic in Selenium and in Java, guys. In Java till core Java, up to core Java, we'll discuss each and every topic, guys. Up to core Java, we'll discuss each and every topic in Java, like objects, classes, encapsulation, inheritance, each and everything, guys. So these are the top softwares. We need to install each and everything. Like we need to install Eclipse, we need to install Java, we need to install Maven, and apart from this, we need to install Selenium as well. These are the software, guys, we need to learn in this particular course. Okay, so in Java, what are the topics that I will cover in Java? So first thing is, so I'll cover what is Java. So first of all, what is Java? Okay. So first thing is, what is Java? An introduction of Java. What is Java? And introduction of Java. And the next thing is, so the syntaxes. So how to use the syntaxes in Java? The next one is a variable. So what are the variables that we have in Java? Actually, in Java, we have so local variables, we have a static variables, we have a final variables, we have instance variables. So we'll discuss each and everything. We will discuss each and every variable. And apart from this, we can discuss about data types and operators. We can discuss. So we can discuss on operators as well. And these are the basics, guys. These are the basic ones. And apart from this, so we can discuss about the OOPS concepts. These are very important OOPS concepts. In these OOPS concepts, I will cover all these topics: object, class, encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction, and polymorphism. And the final one is polymorphism. So we'll discuss each and everything related to the OOPS concepts. And the next one is access and non-access modifiers. Access and non-access modifiers. And the next thing is methods and constructors. So methods and constructors, and the keywords. Keywords is nothing but keyword, super keyword, super and final keyword, and interfaces. Next thing is interfaces. Next thing is inheritance. Next thing is abstract class. Inheritance means different types of inheritance, guys. Inheritance means types of inheritance. Inheritance, types of inheritance, arrays, strings, string buffer, and string builder. String buffer and string builder. And the next thing is loops, conditional statement. So conditional statements, loops, access modifiers. So we have covered access modifiers, right? So access modifiers and exception handling. And apart from this, we can discuss about collections. This is very important, guys. And the final one is collection. So in the collections, we'll discuss about list, set, map, and iterator. These are the topics that we are going to learn in our Java. Any doubts, guys? And apart from this, so we'll explain the intro of Java and how to create Java project, how to add dependencies to Java project as well. So we'll cover each and every topic in Java, guys, up to collections. As an automation tester, these topics are much needed because for each and every functionality in the real time. So we'll use any of these topics, guys. We'll use any of these topics. Sometimes we'll use interfaces, sometimes we'll use keywords, sometimes we use access modifiers, sometimes we'll use constructors. So that is the reason these topics are very, very important. So these topics are very, very important. The list set, map, and interface. Any doubts as of now in the Java, guys? Or do you want me to add any other topic in the Java? And apart from this, interview questions on every topic, interview questions on every topic, and interview programs on every topic. Does anyone have any doubts, or is it clear, guys?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. So these are the topics that we are going to cover in our Java course. Okay. So next thing is a Maven, guys. Next thing is a Maven. So it is very, very important, guys. So Maven, so without Maven, we cannot create any project without Maven, guys. So normally we can create Java project, but in the real time, so we'll only use the Maven project, guys. In the real time, so there is no Java project. We have only Maven project. So we need to handle each and everything using Maven only. We need to handle each and everything using Maven only. So in the Maven, I will cover few topics like what is a Maven. So what is Maven? And the next thing is how to install Maven. How to install Maven. Third one is what is pom.xml. What is pom.xml? How to add dependencies, plugins and builds in pom.xml, and how to integrate TestNG, how to integrate TestNG framework, to pom.xml. And the third one is, and the next one is Maven repository. So what are the different types of repositories are there in Maven? So we'll discuss each and everything so related to Maven. So these are the topics that we'll discuss in Maven. Build tool, guys. In Maven build tool. And the next one is Selenium, guys. So the next one is Selenium. First of all, we'll discuss about Java, guys. Later on, we'll start Selenium. So once we complete the Selenium basics, then only I will start Maven, guys. So once Maven will start, so from that time onwards, real time will start, guys. So once I will create the Maven project, so then I will start the real time. So for almost 20 to 25 days, we'll discuss about the real time. We'll discuss only the real time topic, guys, like page object model, page factory, Git, Jenkins, so each and everything like TestNG, so Maven, so extend reports, assertions, hard assertions, soft assertions, so each and everything, and screenshots. So each and everything we'll discuss once we create Maven project, guys. Once we create Maven project, and these are all the basics, guys. These are all the basics. So we want to learn Java and Selenium basics to start any code, to start any real-time code, guys. Okay, the next one is Selenium. So okay, what are the topics that I'm going to cover in Selenium? The first one is what is Selenium? First one, same, what is Selenium? What is Selenium or introduction of Selenium? So what is Selenium? Introduction of Selenium. Introduction of Selenium, and how to install Selenium. And how to add dependencies to normal Java project. How to add not dependencies, guys, jar files. How to add jar files normal Java project, and how to add dependencies to TestNG. How to add dependencies to TestNG. I mean, to Maven project. I would say to Maven project. Maven project. And the next one is different versions of Selenium. Next version is different versions of Selenium, like Selenium IDE, Selenium WebDriver, Selenium WebDriver, and Selenium Grid. Selenium Grid as well. So Selenium IDE, Selenium WebDriver, and Selenium Grid. And the next one is locators in the Selenium. Locators in Selenium. Different types of locators in Selenium. And the next one is XPaths and XPath access, guys. XPath and XPath access. XPath and XPath access and methods in Selenium. Methods in Selenium. Methods in Selenium. Navigational methods in Selenium. Navigational methods in Selenium. Methods in Selenium. Apart from this, navigational methods in Selenium, actions class, Selenium actions class, and the Selenium select class, actions class, and the select class, and how to handle checkboxes, how to handle checkboxes, radio buttons, links, text boxes, buttons, drop downs. Drop downs. The next one is web table handling. Web table handling, calendar handling in both static and dynamic ways. In both static and dynamic ways. In both the static and dynamic ways. In both static and dynamic ways. Next thing is frames handling, alerts handling, windows handling. Next one is window handling. Next one is JavaScript. JavaScript, TestNG, JavaScript and TestNG. So it is nothing but a framework, guys. TestNG, unit testing framework, I would say, not framework. Unit testing framework. So JavaScript, unit testing framework. The next thing is page object model. The next thing is page factory and data driven framework, data driven framework and hybrid framework. Data driven framework and hybrid framework. The next one is Git. Git. So these are the topics we are going to cover, and apart from this, in the real time, I will show about the Jenkins and Cucumber, guys. Jenkins and Cucumber. I will show you the Jenkins pipelines and what are the environments that we have in real time. So how to execute those pipelines, each and everything. So we'll show you in the real time. We'll show you in the real time. So, and apart from this, same interview questions on both Cucumber and the Selenium, and interview programs in Cucumber, in Selenium, guys. In Selenium. So these are the topics that I am going to cover in our entire course, guys. Any doubts as of now? So you people are going to learn each and everything in Selenium and in Maven and in Java as well. Understand?
Ma'am, Maven is a language or a tool?
It's a tool. It's a build tool. It's not a language.
Okay, ma'am.
It's a tool. Language is only the Java, guys. Java is only the language. Maven is a tool, and even Selenium is also a tool. By using this Selenium tool, so we can use some classes, I would say. Selenium is not a language, guys. It's not a language because it does not have any variables, operators. It does not have any concepts. It has interfaces and methods. By using those interfaces and methods, we are going to handle the web-based automation, guys. Web-based automation. And actually, so I need to add one more thing. And apart from this, we can discuss about the Sikuli as well. So it is a tool for web-based and window-based. Web-based and window-based, guys. So which is used to handle web-based and window-based applications, which is used to handle web-based and window-based applications. And here we can discuss about the assertions in TestNG. So, and apart from this, so we can discuss about the screenshots, and apart from this, we can discuss about the extent reports as well. These are the topics actually. So, like if I miss any topic here, but I mean, I will miss any topic here, but I won't miss those topics in the real, I mean, like in the course, guys. So these are the topics that I remember. So that is what, so I have added each and everything. We will discuss about TestNG, assertions in TestNG, screenshots, extent reports, page object model, and the TestNG reports as well, guys. And we'll discuss about the TestNG reports as well. These are the different topics that I am going to cover. So in the entire course. So these are the topics which are related to Selenium, and this is a Maven tool. This is a Maven tool, and this is a language. This is a language, and in this Java language, I will cover each and every topic. I will cover each and every topics. So in this conditional statement, so I'll cover if conditions and the switch conditions. If conditions and switch conditions, and here also. So I will cover for loop, for each loop, while loop, and do while loop, guys. While loop and do while loops. So on the keywords, super keyword, final keyword, so comma break keyword, continue keyword. So these are the different things are there, guys. Just I am giving the heads up on the high level. So what are the topics that we are going to cover? So in our course kind of thing. So these are the topics, guys. If I miss anything, or if you want me to add any other topic, feel free to reach out to me and to ask to me. So I will learn, I mean, if I know that one, so I will explain, or otherwise I will learn and I will explain that one, guys. Okay. You can take a note of this one, guys, or otherwise you can take a screenshot of this one, like what are the things that we are going to cover in our course kind of. Interview questions, interview answers, the programs, each and everything. Yes, apart from this, I will give you some homework as well regarding few topics like variables, or for conditional statements, or for switch statements, or for access modifiers kind of thing. So I'll give you some homework as well regarding the topics as well. Regarding the topics. These are the topics, and this is nothing but the demo, guys. Like what are the things that I am going to cover for each and everything kind of thing. Is it clear, or do you want me to add anything more? Upendra, are you saying anything?
It's clear.
Yes. From tomorrow onwards, we can start Java, ma'am. First of all, so we'll download the Java, we'll install the Java. Later on, we'll discuss about what is Java and what is the introduction of Java. I think from Monday onwards, we can start the coding. From Monday onwards, we can start the coding, because installation will take 1 day of time and introduction will take 1 day of time. And from Monday onwards, we can create a Java project and we can add the dependencies and we can start the code. First of all, I'll start with data types. Later on, I'll move to the variables. The first topic in Java is nothing but data types. The first topic in Java is nothing but data types. From Monday onwards, so we can start the coding, and be ready with the laptops, guys. If you don't have any laptop, and please purchase, because practice is very important. You need to spend at least an hour of time for your future. You need to practice each and everything. And if you have any doubts, you can raise your hand and you can ask. Or otherwise, if you don't have any doubts for today, once you practice the particular thing, and if you are getting the doubts, you can note down all the doubts and you can ask me in the another class. Okay. It's a 5 classes in a week, guys, from Monday to Friday. So we have classes, and Saturday, Sunday is off, guys. And public holidays is also there. I mean, if we have any festivals, at that time we have holidays, or otherwise we can classes from Monday to Friday, and Saturday, Sunday is week off. And from tomorrow onwards, you should be login by 7:30 a.m. So the classes will start by 7:30 and will end by 8:30. So there is a 1 hour class for every day. Any more doubts?
How many days the course going to be?
How many days?
Course is going to
Course
be.
will be, the course will be from, I mean, around 55 to 65 days, guys. Because I will
Okay.
cover each and everything. So the topics as well as the interview questions. That is the reason it will take. So 60 days. You can minimum 55 days and maximum up to 65 days, guys. See, we have how many topics that we have? We have 23 topics here. And it will take 1 month. And so this is 2 days class. And in the Selenium also we have 30 plus classes. Around it will 60 classes is enough. 60 classes is fine. And the ample time will be another 5 classes, 60 to 65 days. Is it fine? Or do you want me to cover little early? Do you want me to finish little early? Hello? Are you there, people?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Any more doubt? Any more doubts? Bhavani Garu, Rohit?
No notes.
I think I'm unable to hear your voices clearly, guys. So just now we'll be finding the class recordings. Okay, if you want the recordings, guys, you just contact the team there, like Mahesh or Srinivas Anna. They'll provide you the access to download all the recordings, guys.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah, guys. Okay, guys. Any more doubts or any more queries or any more concerns? Like, who is having 9+ years of experience in construction, ma? Rajesh or?
No,
In
I have
construction,
only 3 years of experience as a SAP engineer.
Sorry, Rajesh is having 3 years of experience. Then who is having 9 years of experience?
me, ma'am, Bhavani.
Yeah, Bhavani Garu. Yeah, fine.
Ma'am, is it okay?
Yes, if you are okay, I'll wrap up the class for today and we'll connect tomorrow by 7:30 a.m. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone, and all the very best for your future. And thank you so much for joining and have a great day ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
everyone.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.